Hi, this is Srinivasa Tirunagari. In the last class, we have discussed about joins. In this module, in this class, we are going to discuss about set operators. Topics covered: set operators, various types, and guidelines. Set operators combine the results of two or more component queries into one result. We have multiple queries joined together based upon set operators. Queries containing set operators are called compound queries. All set operators have equal precedence. The execution, they have equal precedence. We have different set operators such as union, union all, intersect, minus or except. Okay. So these set operators have equal precedence in executing. Let us see union operator. If you look at the diagram, there is a set called A and B. In our discussion, A is a query and B is a query. A returns some rows and B also returns some rows. So this union operator, A union B operator, returns all rows from both queries after eliminating duplicate rows. Union all operator. Say we have two sets A and B. A is one query and B is also another query. A union all B returns all rows from the both queries including duplicate rows. The diagram represents, look at this diagram, the diagram represents including both the duplicates. Intersect operator. This operator returns rows that are common to both queries. Here we have two queries A and B, and the A intersect B returns the common records or the common rows to the both queries. Except operator. Except operator returns all the distinct rows that are present in the first query and do not present in the second query. Look at the diagram. We have set A and set B, or query A and query B. So it will return query A results only, and also it eliminates duplicate. So the values present, the rows records present in B are not returned. So this is except operator. We will see one by one operator, all these set operators one by one with an examples. Thank you.